Okay, so I am entering room 508 of the Premier Inn in Glasgow. Oh, it is very, very standard, isn't it? Here we go. The little bedside tables, the lights, the aircon, which might be going on because it's roasting. They actually made up this single bed, don't know why, because I want to have two beds. The view is not the best. I don't actually even know what building this is. However, once you shut the curtains, and looks like, yeah, it's quite a big bed, isn't it? I think it's two together. You get the desk, as always, a wee lamp, the TV, and the menu, the breakfast menu. I am here for breakfast in the morning, and you get your tea and your coffee. Not bad, it's actually lovely and clean as well. And you get your hanging space. You get 1, 2, 5 hangers. There's an extra towel in here. There's a hairdryer, extra pillows, and there's the mirror, which is handy for doing your hair. Big mirror here. More storage. You can put your bits and pieces in here. Standard bottle opener. Little bin. I've just shown you everything, eh? Lights on to the bathroom. This looks really fresh. Actually really nice. Nice and fresh. None of that kind of grotty, bluey grey grout that I've had in other places. Oh, it's a rainfall shower plus the other shower that you can take off if you just want to wash your hair. And the standard kind of hair and body gel, which I never use. So yeah, it's actually really nice. And again, what have I not done? I've not asked for a shower. However, I did have a shower before I left the house. Well, there we go.